Hi, I'm Dale Johnsen, the Safe Talk coach. I've been a pastor for over 30 years of congregations, serving people, caring for their needs, and I want to bring that concept of a chaplain into the workplace. Around the country, there are chaplains in places like Ford, GM, Tyson Foods, Coca-Cola, and they've shown great results, great return on investment as a result of seeing people's lives get better, and they're more productive, and they stay on the job longer. So let me just show a couple of concepts of how we can partner together to care for your employees like family. Every workplace has employees that are going to hit crises during the year. Maybe 30% of your employees are going to have some type of crisis. And I can help you care for them with compassion as your surrogate, as your one who comes alongside and shows that when they're going through struggles of grief, of debt, of depression, maybe somebody's incarcerated, somebody's hospitalized, maybe they're dealing with a depression or addiction problem. They just need to know, who can I talk to confidentially so I can get a good referral and just some good common sense advice. A lot of people come to work and they're not really there. Presenteeism is 4 times more costly than absenteeism on the job. And your trained workforce is really your most valuable resource, and you need to help make sure that they are at the very best, to reassure them during their challenging times so that their work doesn't go down, so they don't get stressed out and end up quitting on you, and you have that big expense of having to rehire, retrain. So I would focus on being a trusted caregiver on your behalf for your employees and for their families. I'd be willing to come to your workplace on a weekly basis if you'd like that, or as often as the employer would like. To be available just to get to know people face to face, develop a trusting relationship, learn a little bit about their families, and then be on call 24/7 for anything that they might need. And again, we use the term chaplain, but it's not about religion. It's about respecting people where they're at, caring for them, and treating them like family. Strict confidentiality leads to people opening up, sharing stuff, so they can hopefully get help early on before things implode or explode. Studies have shown that when an employer has an employee assistance program, 800 number that they offer, only about 4 or 5% people ever call that number because they don't want to talk to a stranger. But if they know the person, they've met the person that they're going to be calling, there's a 10 times more utilization rate. So you're getting 50, 55, 60% of people who are willing to enter into a relationship with a Safe Talk coach. And so problems get solved earlier on. And again, as an investment, major companies have shown that you can make back $5 to $16 per dollar invested in this cutting-edge wellness strategy. And I'm Dale Johnsen, Safe Talk coach, and I'm bringing this strategy to California. I'd like to invite you to be on the front end line of this new innovative way to bring wellness on an emotional level to your employees so that you can make more profits. You may wonder what the cost of this would be. Well, probably less than a Starbucks a month per employee. Depending on the size of the company, I may contract between $3 to $10 per employee per month to provide this 24-hour access service, and you really can't beat that.